Imagine if a black hole suddenly appeared in our solar system. The effects would be catastrophic. First off, depending on the size and location of the black hole, gravitational forces would start to warp the orbits of planets, moons, and asteroids. If it was close to Earth, we'd see tidal forces causing massive destruction, like oceans rising and falling in huge waves known as tidal disruptions.
How big would the black hole have to be to cause such effects?
Over time, or perhaps very quickly, planets could be pulled out of their orbits or even sucked into the black hole itself. Even a small black hole, say with the mass of our sun, would have a dramatic impact. But if we're talking about something more massive, like a supermassive black hole, the effects would be immediately apocalyptic. However, even a smaller black hole would eventually destabilize the orbits, potentially leading to collisions between planets or even the ejection of planets from the solar system.
Could we detect it before it causes any harm?
Detection would depend on its size and distance when it first appears. If it's small and far away, we might not notice until it's too late unless we're actively looking for anomalies like sudden changes in the paths of celestial bodies or unexpected radiation from heated matter falling into the black hole. Larger black holes might be detected by their gravitational influence on light from stars or by the emission of X-rays if they're consuming matter.
Is there any way we could protect Earth or mitigate the effects?
Protection would be extremely challenging. If we had enough warning, one idea might be to try to alter Earth's orbit with massive space-based propulsion systems, though this technology is far beyond our current capabilities. Another less feasible idea would be trying to move the black hole itself, but again, the energy required would be astronomical. More likely, we'd be looking at evacuation plans like colonizing other planets or using space habitats, but even that would be a last-ditch effort with the time frame we're likely looking at.
What would happen to the sun if the black hole got close?
If the black hole got close to the sun, it could start siphoning off solar material, leading to massive solar flares and coronal mass ejections. In the worst case, the sun could be torn apart or consumed by the black hole, which would plunge the solar system into darkness and cold, as the remnants of the sun would either be absorbed or scattered into space.